Now.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in this video we go on a little duck hunt up here in Northern California. We are refuge hunting, and we get on some birds. We actually shoot some, and we were in the lottery, and since we were in the lottery, we're hunting a place I've never hunted before, and it took us a minute to figure it all out, and we got out to our spot like with 10 minutes till shooting light, so wasn't filming a whole lot right there in the beginning. So I threw out all the decoys, got set up, and then yeah, we got to hunting, and I turned the camera on and you guys can see the rest of what happened. But yeah, so I was having some gun issues where there's a couple shots that the gun just wasn't firing. I think the firing pin just needs to be cleaned. I'm gonna take apart the gun and clean it all before the next hunt. But yeah, so anyways, it was a good hunt. I should have shot a little better, but it happens. First hunt of the year, I guess. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace. Those were woodies, bro. Those were woodies. Pen and a Drake woody. Oh my god.
So, we could go back and look on that.
That's exactly what you said.
Where? Coming at Mock Jesus right in front of us.
Folded that fool!
In my left lung.
That was a teal, bro.
I'm cramped up.
Oh, it's diving. What? This is fine. Well, even when we get to shoot them, we still don't get them. Unbelievable.
Hey,
I don't know, this wind's good though. They're gonna start flying even more.
Even this flying, we might be able to see go. Put your chingas tu madre in here.
That thing?
Fucking blind, they're hard to turn around. Here.
Wait. No.
I don't know, but we both shot.
You shoot. I shot the back one.
I shot the front one.
Widgeon, baby. Widgeon. Where? It's all you if you want it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Suck.
My gun doesn't shoot, I guess.
No, I
They're coming.
Get ready. Right now, get ready.
Shoot them?
No,
Should have.
you could have, I guess.
Frick you, dude. I should have. Why did I stop? Shoot it. Shoot like a foot under it, or just above it. There you go. What is it? Cattle? Oh, I can't see. Cattle, bro. Oh yeah.
No, he didn't.
Where's the buggers at? I don't know, I'm excited for this here. Nice, nice.
Don't you fucking leave right there. Shoot them, yeah? Shoot them.
No. Oh, it's a mallard, bro. Mallards.
Yeah, we're waiting too long.
Well, I didn't really have a shot right here.
We're sure waiting and probably working around again.
Alright guys, the kid just smacked himself two little Susies, hen spoons, solid. Had a little 3-pack come in with 2 for 3.
It's been rough.
Hopefully it picks up here. We're thinking with this wind that's coming in, it's gonna get good here. Say when. God, bro. I'm about to throw my gun in the water. Dude, shoot. Oh, wait. I was thinking 43, not 53. Woo, woo, woo. About to get good. I gotta record.
It's been dead since 12 o'clock.
I gotta record. It's about to get good. Here, doggy, doggy. Yeah, you see that?
No, I don't.